So is there a major change coming down the road to Shiba Inu? Possibly. And this has to do with their development organization, has to do with kind of how they're structuring and how they're working together on the team side, which ultimately kind of relates to how adaptive, competitive, and how the Shiba Inu or dev organization reacts. Shiba's evolved, right? It is, and I have seen it. I've been here every day, every step of the way, and I've seen it grow up, and I've seen it. And I think we're in one of those kind of expansion development phases again. And I think, yes, I think that things are changing. So we're going to talk about that in this video. Thanks for your support. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and tell the algorithm that we are here. Okay, so let me scroll down and show you right here. So Shiba Inu could see major change according to lead Twitter bio. Now, I've since looked, and he's already changed it. He's taken this down. So here is Satoshi's. Here's his bio. So he's already changed it, which that's fine. He changes it all the time. Satoshi does. Okay, so he where is it? He had a tweet where he was talking about right here. He had changed his bio. It said, "quote very close to becoming a Sith." Now, when I saw that, I immediately thought of the Darth Vader, the Star Wars kind of reference, the reference to Sith from the Star Wars franchise standpoint. But there are several ways to look at it. Sith is actually a word that is archaic variant of the word sense, used in Old English, and according to dictionary.com, also as a secondary definition of peace. Okay. But most of us are used to the Star Wars reference, if you will. Okay, so will Shiba Inu will Shiba's Inu become Siths? Okay, so this is interesting. In light of developments taking place in the ecosystem and kind of, I would say, in the overall market, competitive pressures, things of this nature, Kusama intends to become more focused or ruthless. That kind of could be the ruthless word could be in reference to the Sith scenario, kind of the more of the Star Wars franchise scenario, in the project's pursuit of dominance. I like this. I thought this was a very interesting twist. Given its challenges, this approach might not be the wrong one. Not really challenges inside of Shiba Inu, but I think more of outside market challenges, crypto kind of macro challenges to crypto in general. The challenge of how does Shiba Inu continue to develop and innovate and become a bigger force and a bigger faction, right? How does it just continue to grow? That's interesting to me. Right now, Shiba has a $6.5 billion market capitalization, right? Okay. How does it grow along with and adapt and change? I think that you have to continue to see and change, right? I think that that's fundamentally what it is. I think that the overall development organization it has to change. So these little hints that Satoshi gives us in his bio, I think, and I remember there was discussion about kind of reorganizing the different development arms, the breed and, just the different development organizations. The reference to Sith is interesting because I think there's two components of it. There is the peaceful component, right? Peace. Literally one of the meanings of Sith is peace per dictionary.com. But I also think that there is that Star Wars reference, the reference to becoming focused and ruthless and doing that in light of competition. So I think that the word Sith in this case is multifaceted. I think it definitely has a reference to peace, because I think Satoshi and SHIB, at the heart of it, there is peace, right? They want to just continue to evolve and expand and create this community for the SHIB army and all those kind of things. But when you look at development and creating and propelling a project, a community, a movement, an ecosystem forward, that is Shiba Inu, there are definitely times where you have to be focused. You have to be ruthless in how you go about that. And I'm not talking about the word ruthless in the capacity of hurting another project. That's not what I'm saying. But you have to be focused and ruthless in how you propel the project forward to accomplish its goals, help to keep it moving forward. And I'm not saying that in the capacity of hurting somebody else or hurting another project or harming another project. That's not a point. The point is it's about how you go about your business. And I think that right there is what's interesting. So yes, I think there's a major change coming for the dev organization for Shiba Inu. Thanks for your time. I'll see you. Have a good one. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. See you. Bye.